Hi, I'm Liam with Donaldson Home Services. I'm a plumbing apprentice with Donaldson, and kind of do our thing. Well, we start off with our typical service calls, but in the mornings we all come to the shop and we talk to our boss and get what we need for the day, and then we head out to help our customers, our clients, sorry. The client interactions. I like talking to people, seeing what's going on, and seeing how I can help them the best. You know, if I come to your house and your toilet's not working, and it's the only toilet you have, well, I'm glad to get that up and running for you. Well, I have 2 dogs and a cat, so I like to spend my free time with my family and my dogs. I take them to the dog park all the time, and I give them good walks. I have a blue tick beagle and a Great Pyrenees, so they're quite the matchup. One's huge, one's tiny, but they're awesome to be with, and they're my boys. I love them very much. Wow, that's a good question. Probably like the 50s or the 60s. You know, I prefer the 50s and 60s because it's more like old school. Things are built differently, they're built better, people are way nicer. Not that people aren't nice nowadays, but it's just a whole different experience, I would say.